Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying each camera's output and power. This determines the cable and adapter you need. Once identified, choose a cable rated for the distance and signal type: HDMI for video, SDI for long runs, USB for webcams. Next, prepare a compatible splitter, switch, or capture device that accepts one input and provides two camera feeds or multiplexes signals. Make sure to inspect connectors, secure firmware compatibility, and have a powered injector if voltage drops are likely on long runs. Once cables and hardware are ready, route the cable carefully to avoid sharp bends and EMI sources. Shielded cables reduce interference. Connect camera A to the splitter input and camera B via a switch or combiner depending on method. If using a time division or multiplexing device, assign channels and priorities. Make sure to set both cameras to identical resolution and frame rate so the receiving device can handle both. Then power devices in sequence, splitter or amp first, so signal locks correctly and you avoid lockup. Finish by confirming both camera feeds arrive cleanly at the receiver or recorder. Inspect sync, colors, and audio if present. Once done, label connectors and secure cable runs to prevent tension. If you see dropouts or no image, first isolate the problem. Test each camera on the same cable to rule out camera faults, then swap the splitter or switch. Make sure power injectors supply correct voltage. If issues persist, add an active repeater or choose a higher grade cable to recover lost signal and eliminate artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.